How much is Amlactin Daily Moisturizing Lotion in your area? How much? Just tell me. Amlactin Daily is now 43,000 naira. Hey, a whooping sum of 43,000 naira in this economy. If you're still using that lotion, or if you just restocked that lotion, you are a ritualist. If you are obsessed with Amlactin Daily, I understand the lotion is good, it's an exfoliating lotion, I understand. If you can afford to keep buying it, fine. But if you can't, if you're tired of spending someone's 2 months salary on just one body lotion, this video is for you. Just come. So everyone is saying Amlactin lotion. Everyone is complimenting that lotion. Everybody wants to get Amlactin lotion. Yes, Amlactin lotion is good, but what makes it special is just the presence of lactic acid. That's just the only thing. Lactic acid, it contains 12% lactic acid, and lactic acid is an AHA, alpha hydroxy acid. What does this thing do for your skin? It helps to exfoliate your skin, it helps to brighten your skin, remove fine lines, help in collagen production, and also fade discoloration. That's just it. In the group of AHA, there are 2 ingredients that makes up AHA. We have lactic acid and we have glycolic acid. The only difference between lactic acid and glycolic acid is the skin type. If you have sensitive or dry skin, you can use lactic acid. If you have normal to oily skin, it is recommended that you use glycolic acid. Use glycolic acid. That's just the only difference. Now I'm going to show you how to use a simple baby lotion, as simple as a baby lotion and as inexpensive as a baby lotion, to get an exfoliating lotion using glycolic acid. Okay, so if you have oily skin or you have normal skin and Amlactin Daily lotion is too expensive for you to use, you just want a substitute, I will call this a DIY. This video is for you. You're still going to get the same result. This is just like same Joe, minor difference. The only difference between what I'm going to tell you now is the lactic acid. I'll be using glycolic acid in place of lactic acid, but they are just the same thing. Like I said earlier, the only thing that differentiates them is the skin type. As a matter of fact, glycolic acid even works better because it contains smaller molecules that penetrates deeper into your skin compared to lactic acid. See, if you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, you are darling, do that right now. I'm waiting for you. Oh yeah, subscribe. Hit the subscribe button now. Have you done that? Okay, thank you. So guys, for this hack, you're going to be needing a baby lotion. The reason why I recommend a baby lotion is because a baby lotion doesn't contain harsh chemicals. It is just a simple moisturizer, and baby lotions are usually moisturizing. You need a lotion that doesn't contain any active ingredients like vitamin C, niacinamide, retinol. You just need a plain moisturizer, a plain and hydrating body lotion that is good for your skin. So I would recommend you get a baby lotion, any baby lotion of your choice. There is Pierre's baby lotion, Johnson, but for this video I'll be making use of the Baby Med body lotion. Let me show you how this lotion looks like. So this is it. This is the Baby Med body lotion. This is my baby's lotion. Actually, I love this lotion because it is super moisturizing. You know, now the aim of this video is to get something that works like the Amlactin Daily lotion. So this lotion contains aloe vera, it contains shea butter, and it contains allantoin. This is a baby lotion, but an adult can also make use of it. It will help to repair your skin barrier, help to prevent your skin from dryness, and this lotion is also dermatological tested. So this is a perfect lotion for this DIY that I'm going to be doing today. Then the next product you'll be needing, which is like the most important, this is what will contain the active ingredient, the AHA. The next product you're going to be needing is the ordinary glycolic toner. Let me show you guys. So here I have the ordinary glycolic toner. This toner contains 7% glycolic acid. So this product right here is a popular product. Most people use it on their face, on their armpits and the rest, but it's mostly on the face because it is a toner, and it helps to even out your skin complexion, smoothing your skin, brighten your skin. If your skin lacks luster, or your skin lacks shine, or your skin lacks glow, you make use of this. But most people only use this on their face, neglecting their body. It is not just your face that would enjoy the benefits of this product right here. Your face, your body too can. Okay, so today I'll be showing you how to mix these two products to get an exfoliating lotion. Remember what I said, if you're adding this product to your body lotion, do not use a lotion that contains any active, because glycolic acid do not combine well with ingredients like vitamin C, niacinamide, retinol, and all those active ingredients. So make sure you use this toning solution with a plain moisturizer. That is why I recommend a baby moisturizer. So this toning solution is suitable for people with oily or normal skin type because of the glycolic acid. If you have sensitive or dry skin, you'd opt for the lactic acid. That is why the Amlactin daily lotion is suitable for people with sensitive and dry skin, just because of the lactic acid in the lotion. But that doesn't mean if you have sensitive skin you cannot use glycolic acid. Firstly, what I would tell you, if you have a sensitive skin, do a patch test and start small. Maybe you can start by using this once a week. But if you have normal to oily skin type, you can make use of this 2 to 3 times in a week. So let me show you how you're going to add it up to your lotion to get an exfoliating lotion. I wouldn't advise you to mix these two like together and store. What I'd recommend you do is, whenever after having your bath and you want to apply these two together, take like 1 pump. So you're going to add 3 drops, and that's it. Mix together and apply on your body. See, after using this thing, you're not going to want to buy Amlactin lotion again, trust me, because of the expense. You're not going to, except you have the money and you just want to. If you have sensitive skin, you can use the same method. 3 drops of glycolic acid on 1 pump of lotion. If you have a sensitive skin, and instead of using it 2 to 3 times in a week, I'd recommend that you use it once in a week for those with sensitive skin. I almost forgot, another important information is, make use of this at night only. If you are conversant with the Amlactin lotion, you know that it is advisable for you to use it at night, and use it like 2 to 3 times weekly, not every day. Same thing applies to this hack to use only at night because of the glycolic acid. The reason is that glycolic acid can make your skin more sensitive to the sun, which can cause sunburn and the rest. I wouldn't even advise you to use sunscreen with it. Okay, let's say because you're using sunscreen, you want to make use of this. It's best to use at night. As a matter of fact, your skincare works better at night than during the day. So calm down, sis. Use this at night. Now, what are you going to benefit from this hack? You're going to have an even skin tone. If you have discoloration, or you have dull skin, or your skin lacks shine, or when you try to glide your hands through your skin, it feels rough and bumpy, this hack would help you. Just follow the instruction and use this 3 times or 2 times in a week, and only at night. You're still going to get the same result from the Amlactin daily lotion. So guys, if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Share with me your thoughts on the comment section, what you think about this skincare hack, and also like this video. Don't forget to like, it is important. So until I see you on my next video, guys, have a wonderful week. Bye.